Hi everyone, welcome to Science Tech Day. So today I'm going to take you through on how you can test resistance of a resistor. So this, when you are going to test a resistance of a resistor, you must have a multimeter. And now this multimeter, we use it for testing or for measuring the resistance of a resistor. It can measure many things, that's why it's called a multimeter. But now, let's go direct to our multimeter. This is our multimeter, and we also have this testing probe. We have the blacker one, and we also have the red one. But now we should also learn on how you can place this probe very well. When you're going to test, you should make sure that this red probe here must be here where there's milliamps and diodes and so on. So this is where it's supposed to be. Then we also have this blacker one. The blacker one has to be here where there's comb. This is our comb. This is where the blacker one is supposed to be. So after fixing it like that very well, our multimeter right now it's off. So we need to turn our multimeter on. But when we are turning our multimeter on, you should first of all test your multimeter to know whether your multimeter is working very well. So let's go direct. So we are turning it to test whether the multimeter is working very well. So we bring it to here where there's diode and where we test the continuity from. So we bring here. You change this to this place here where there's a continuity. Then you bring these two testing leads. Then you bring them together like this. When you hear that noise there, and you get a figure which is nearly to 0 or 0, that means our multimeter is working very well. So let's go direct on how we can test our resistor, because we've already tested our multimeter is working very well, it's functioning very well. This is our resistor, these two resistors. But now, when we want to test these resistors, we have to change this dial here of ours. You have to change it to the value of a resistor. But remember, the value of a resistor is measured in kilo ohms or in ohms. So this is our ohm. You bring it here, you change this, then you take it to the lowest figure, that is 200 milliohms. Then after that, you bring this is our resistor. You bring it like this. Then we bring this black probe. We put it this side. Then we also bring this red probe. Then we put it this side. So when you see it's 0.0, that means the figure which we had selected is lower, or the capacity of this resistor is higher than the figure we've selected. So what do you do here? We have to change this dial here to the next one. This is our next figure. That's 20 milliohms. You bring it here. That's where we've changed our dial from to. Then again, you go back and you test your resistor. You do like this. You first of all put this blacker one here, this side. Then you also bring this red one, this side. So you are seeing we are getting 0.01. What do you do? There we again still need to change to again take it to the next figure. This is 200 kilo ohms. We've changed our dial to 200 kilo ohms. We want to get the capacity of this resistor. You put this one this side, then also this one this side. So right now, that's the figure we are now getting. So the resistance of our resistor is 9.6 kilo ohms. So that's the way how you can test the resistance of the resistor.